Hey friends, Lucian here with the Bullish Bears team making the watch list video for tomorrow, Thursday, November, November 2nd. Man, time's really flying by. So let's get right into it. Market seems to keep going up. It's still riding the 9 EMA. Let's take a look here. SPX. Yeah, as you can still see, it's still riding the 9 EMA. A little bit of a dip down here, but it's still riding up. Touchdown to the 20, still continuing up. So things are still trending nicely. So let's look at combination of the watch list and trade ideas today, see what I'm going to keep on, and then see what I might add on for tomorrow. Goodness gracious. I mean, all these candle wicks are crazy. So, see, this one closed up above the EMAs. Has some resistance, obviously, right around 250. Support down here. Did it? There wasn't any news today. There was no catalyst, so I'm not going to put that on for tomorrow. XNet, this stupid thing. Can you believe this stupid thing? Unbelievable. Wow. Here, let me cancel the alerts for tomorrow. Or from today. Yeah, I mean, I'm going to put it on. So at or above 1210. Obviously, you got to be really careful with these for pullbacks. Again, with the alerts, you can either take them long or you can let them fire off, form a top, form a reversal at the top, short them back down to support levels, or you can watch them as price broaches the alerts. If there's a rejection or a reversal right near there, you can short them down. As you can see here, some support levels here. So obviously, I mean, it's over $12. Unbelievable. So at or above 1210, and or actually, is that say 1210? Yep. And let me put at or below $12 maybe. At or below. Could be a good short. I mean, this thing just, I mean, I can see this thing. If it keeps with the trend, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, all bull flags here. So you could see this thing pulling back a little bit again, and then potentially going up. So who knows? It might continue going up. But XNet, I mean, going to keep it on there. Unbelievable. BBG, absolutely, that's going to stay on. Look at that. Very simple, at or above $6. I like these ones when they're like right near a whole or a $half amount. They just make it so much easier to watch. Support. Oh, is there a gap? Yeah, there's a gap right down there. So support right at that 550 level. So that's support. Let's see, what's the level over here? Some resistance there. And I think another gap right up there at $7. So that's support and resistance. BGFV, we'll take that off. SKLN, nope. AROL, no. APTO, no. AVGR, nope. CYCC, no. CPRX, nope. Oops. Let's see, is earnings coming up on these? XNet's on the 8th. BBG. Oh, I guess it's a conference call tomorrow. QNST, no. SNSS, no. PYDS, It finished up at the highs. It's like It's like a bull flag right here. Where did it finish off? 250. Got up to 2. Let's take a look at this one here. So 242. So you have some resistance there at 260. And obviously at 293. Excuse me. I like to get in, near, I'm always very aware of those whole and half dollar amounts. So you obviously want to see it break above 250, but if it breaks above 250, you got to be careful at this 259 area. So finished over 241. So I would put an alert at or above 241, or put 242. So if you got in above 242, you got to be careful at 250 and then 259. And then obviously you have some resistance here, but you just don't know with this. It's either going to just drop down or you might be bull flagging for a potential move up. Kind of look at some of these areas of support here. Put them here. I put $2 just because it's easier. All right, take a look at some new ones here. LXRP. Nah, don't like it. It's ugly. VRML. I don't think I'm going to put that one on. Icon. Let's see here. At or above 214. Yeah, that one's easy to, so you have some resistance there, 214. Some support here at 153. You can see a potential reversal, so I'd put at or above 215. Obviously, when it kind of goes up here, you got to be, could do any sorts of things. It can get so volatile in here. So, but I mean, there's some room to go, possible reversal. So it's one to watch. ICON. Let me look, make sure none of these are 5-cent spreads. All right. BBG. PYDS. And XNet. All right, so let me see here. All right, Mara. Let's see here. Kind of, it's all over the place here. $2 resistance. Did it get any news? Reverse split the other day. Not putting that one on. IZEA. Potentially, let's see here. IZEA. Yep. Okay. Just on volume, huh? No catalyst. Might be a technical breakout. It's right below $4, but you can see some resistance right there. I put it at or above 407. I'll put it at 408. And potential gap up right there between 5 and 531. You have some support down here. So Yeah, and it's holding its highs of the day, so I would keep an eye on this. IZEA. NBEV, no. EMES, no. LINU, no. BGFV, no. ZSAN, no. SKLN, no. TRAV, nope. CMLS, no. VBIB, nope, I can't talk. VBIV, nope. Depot, no. MTBC, So pull back. Let's see here. 340. Put it at like. See, it's these little wicks that can get you. So it doesn't make it very easy to look at. Because if I put it over here above 344, you can get right in that 50, 60 range. And then you got this one at 389. So it's a little bit harder to watch. But, yeah. Let's see, 3. Put at or above 343. But be very careful of just all these wick levels here. 381. Potentially these ones in here. Obviously be very careful around 350. So if you get in, see that there's a couple theories. You can get in on an anticipation of the break, and if it fails, get out. So let's say if you believe that, obviously whole and half dollar amounts are psychological support and resistance areas, right? So let's say you got in at a break of 343. You know there's probably going to be some resistance at 350. So you could either get in, if you get a chance, 343, 44, 45. If it rejects at 350, you could sell and get out, right? Or you can wait for it to break over 350, break out above it. If it gets a chance, touch back down at the breakout level, and then see if it continues up. It's just kind of a matter of what your preference is to do. Whether you want to get in on anticipation to see if it's going to break through. Again, you have to watch level 2 time and sales, candlesticks, all of that. Or wait for it to break out. Sometimes it doesn't retest. Sometimes it'll break out and just fly, like something like this. It'll just go. It won't even touch back down, like if it's intraday, right? So it's kind of a matter of your preference. So this one, what did I have? 344. All right, to be safer, what I'm going to do, because I like to be safer for you guys, is put it at or above 350, just because it's a half dollar amount. And you can decide whether you want to get in before or after if you get a chance. So just to be a little bit safer of, again, aware of where those areas are of support resistance. So MTBC, but you got some of these candle wicks that could really trap you. So you got to be careful. TRIL, let's see, TBC over here. TRIL. Oh, that's a 5-cent spread. If you see S.5C, I don't trade those. 5-cent spreads. Don't like them. SN. I believe that's a 5-1-2. Let's see. Oh, no, I guess not. So let's take a look at this one. Come on. All right, so it's closing above the EMAs like that. It's over a half dollar amount like that. It's got some room to go. So at or above 462. So I like that. I would assume $5 will be resistance area. Let's see where. Oh, and then some of these wicks above it. So SN is definitely one to watch. So I like these signs of, again, it's over a $0.50 amount. It's closing above the EMAs. The 9's potentially moving upwards, but it's closed above. Actually, it doesn't. It's still far away from the 200, so I'm not worried about that one right now. But it just closed above the 50, the 20, and the 9. And then it's got a window up to $5 potentially. Whole dollar amount. Got to assume there will be some resistance up there. So SN, CTRV, no. V-Ray, maybe. Let's see. Let's see. I don't know how I feel about this one. I don't love the chart, so I'm not going to put it on. ECYT. Another one that's a little bit trickier. 75. No, I'm not going to put it on. ACRX, I believe, is a 5. Yeah, it's a 5-cent spread. ELGX. Let's see here. Let's see. Let's take a look at if it's a 5-cent spread. It's right below the 200 SMA. It's right there. Still could have room to go. Potentially forming a cup bottom. 3, 6. Let me see if there's any more I can find. Kelly. Yeah, so maybe I'll put EGLX on that one. So I'll put that one at or above 571. Resistance, obviously about $6 on top of that candle there. EN 650, see, I like those. It just kind of very self-explanatory. So we'll put at or above 571. Don't love it, but let's see here. ELGX. Let's see here. Nothing on the new highs there, huh? All right, let's see yearly lows. Let's see if there's anything that's worth putting on. Potentially. 84. Yeah, that one might. Got some volume in. Somewhat of a doji candle here. Some support right here. So let's take a look here. What is this here? So at or above, put maybe at or above 890. Then I would be very careful at $9 right here. Oh, it's too close to the EMAs. It looked further away than it was. At least the prices, yeah, it's too close. I don't like it. But for next time, I thought it was like further away in price. I didn't realize it's only 25 cents. But if that was like $1 or so away, you can see it's forming a potential reversal. It's been selling off, kind of a doji camera, almost somewhat like a doji candle. If it went up and broke this and then it went up, then obviously you want to be careful at whole dollar amounts, half dollar amounts, and obviously the EMAs, but it's just too close to, it's not that much profit potential, so I'm not going to put it on. So, yeah, looks like that's about it. Let's do the swing trade watch list. All right. 11.2. Now, for all these stocks, but especially these swing trade ones, be careful. Many of them have earnings dates this week. You want to be careful playing earnings, especially on a swing trade. So if price is going up and it's a couple days away, obviously make sure you sell it. Take your profit. I'm not a huge fan of playing earnings, but just be aware that you'll see that there's, look at these dates. You'll see like there's potential earnings dates. So you'll see, when was this one? On or before 11/2. That's tomorrow. You'll see I had MLCO on the watch list last night. Had an alert at or above 25.22. Look at that. Went up $1 today. So that's a big deal. Not going to keep that one on. So again, when I'm making these watch lists, you decide how long you want to keep them. Something like this, I'd probably sell just because it's breaking out. Take my profit, wait for it to pull back, wait for earnings to go through, and see what happens. But MLCO, that was nice. Well, let me see. Hold on. It's at earnings. It's before market tomorrow. Yeah. So nope, not putting it on. CRZO earnings on the 7th. You'll see this one, since we've posted it, just keeps going up. We started at $17 and it's gotten all the way up to, so we put on an alert on it, I think a couple days ago or yesterday, probably at above $17 and at or above 17.81. Look at this, it's gone it's gone up. Let's see CRZO if we can see it over here. Oh, you know what? I didn't have it on. That was as of Monday. I didn't do a swing trade watch last night. So this is probably Saturday into Monday. So either way, it's still going up. SM, we called this one out. We had this on the swing trade watches as of Saturday going into Monday. And you'll see this one as well. We had the breakout level of 20.26. Look at that, it's gone up, man, $20, 20, is that over 20, 21, 22? Wow, it's over 250 move. If you guys were watching these swing trades, look at that. And obviously there's probably earnings. Yep, so I'm going to take that one off. So again, they're moving. Let's see if there's any new ones we could add on that are not affected by earnings. But you'll see there was a couple plays that were really nice that you guys could have played. That one's on 11/1. That was today. Okay. All right, so CVI, wow. So that one must have had some good earnings. That one up. It's at yearly highs. Not going to put it on. COM, not going to put it on. VRSK, not going to put it on. Lilac, RSPP, SQM, OFC, EEP. Some of these might be tough because of earnings. APA, you can see lots of earnings. FLR, when is their earnings? 11/2. Man, lots of earnings. That's on the 6th. Might have to wait a couple days for the swing ones. Gonna see if there's anything that we're able to watch. Possibly there. Let's see. I don't see earnings. 65. Well, it's only up 63 cents to the yearly high, so I don't love that. All right, NWL, JBL, KBH. Yeah, looks like it's all because of due to earnings, so we're not going to keep one. Oh, not going to put anything on for the swing trade watch list. So the day trade watch list is done. Again, if you are not a member of our trading community yet, we're actually rocking and rolling. Look like we're about to break 17,000 people. So we have a huge community. Make sure you like or come and join us on Facebook. We are the Bullish Bears. We label our community stock market community to differentiate from our fan page, which you can see over here. Make sure that you do like and follow our fan page. Again, we're the Bullish Bears, so we just call ourselves Bullish Bears on our fan page and stock market community. On our Facebook group, just kind of differentiates the two. So one's a group of traders where we all interact, and we have a great community over there. And then our fan page over there, this is where we post all of our updates. This is also where we post trade ideas, pre-market movers, as well as Benzinga, which is pre-market breaking news. We do offer community discounts of a one-time discount of 15% for trade ideas. It's hands down if you have been following us, we can't live without trade ideas. It's the best scanner on the market. It's great for day trading, swing trading, options, all of that. You got a whole plethora of information over there. So please make sure that you do click on our referral link if you do purchase trade ideas from us. If you click on somebody else's link and then click ours, we just don't get credit for it. That's how they track affiliate commissions. So if you do want to purchase trade ideas from us, make sure you please click our link and then enter in Bullish Bears 15 all caps at checkout. Benzinga is awesome live breaking news website. We get you a 25% discount, Bullish Bears 25 in lowercase letters. They're a great complement to each other. When stocks release news, they hit Benzinga. Traders look at Benzinga, decide whether they're going to enter in their position or not, and then once they do, obviously that creates volume, and that volume then hits Trade Ideas scanner. Benzinga is awesome for all levels of stocks. You can you can coordinate it however you'd like, small cap, mid cap, large cap stocks, and you can tailor it based upon whether you're doing day trade, swing trade, options, really however you'd like. So Benzinga and Trade Ideas are awesome. So again, links are below to all of our social media, to join our Facebook group, and to like and follow our fan page. If you have not gone over to our website yet, head over to bullishbears.com. Make sure that you subscribe to our daily watch list and trade alerts. You could also join our Facebook group over here. We have our Trade Ideas banner over here. We do have affiliate partnerships with FinViz as well, which is another kind of like kind of a step down in between with Trade Ideas. So if you're looking over here, FinViz is another really good company. In Benzinga, we have our banner over here. Make sure too, we have some great courses. We have a couple $1,000s worth of free trading courses. So make sure you take our free trading courses over here. We have a stock course, momentum trading, options course, Thinkorswim course. Make sure you take advantage of these free courses. We put a lot of time and effort into them, kind of organizing it to make it to help you guys to become better traders. Join our trade room if you haven't already. We have a 600 person cap in our trade room right now, and we are at our cap of 600. So we keep slowly deleting people that have been inactive for over 30 days so we can approve new people. We have lots of fun in there every day, lots of great content. We talk about what's on our watch list, what's moving. We talk about trade ideas, pre-market movers. We talk about support and resistance levels. And then we kind of share together in the room each day, like if we're getting in or out of a trade. So make sure you come and join our trade room. It's free. Again, we have lots of value. So not only our trade room, our watch list and alerts, and our courses. Again, guys, we could charge easily $150 a month for our services. We are not charging anything. Just taking a moment here just to let you know, we are a donation-based community. So we grow and survive off of donations from our community. Now, I know a lot of people think, because there's donation communities out there for everything. There's donations for YouTubers, there's donations for churches, charities, political organizations. And I think a lot of people think sometimes like, oh, wow, they're a really big organization. They have lots of followers. So, oh, probably a ton of people donate to them. So I don't need to donate to them. I just want to really encourage you that people, I'll say this in a nice way, not as many people donate as you think. So if you think a lot of people donate to us, they don't. So no matter what content, I mean, we give lots of valuable content. We're trying this model out. Again, so we could charge membership fees down the road. Again, we could charge $150 a month easily for all this that we have to offer. And just think about it. If you've been taking advantage of the stuff that we're offering, if you've been following us, if tomorrow we decided to just shut it all down, would your life be affected by that? If we shut down the trade room, if we stopped doing the watch list, if we stopped providing all that stuff, we shut down our YouTube, would you guys feel a loss? Would you notice a difference in your life? Would that affect you? If the answer is yes to that and you're not donating, then maybe, just think about, hey, listen, we have donation options for as low as $10 a month, $25 a month. We're not greedy. Again, we're trying to do a different business model, creating a big, massive community, not charging membership fees. But again, if people don't donate, we will charge membership fees. And just being upfront and honest with you guys, not as many people donate as you think. So again, we do greatly appreciate donations. We have options for as low as basically the cost of 1 to 2 trades a month. So for everything we're providing for you guys, again, the cost of 1 to 2 trades a month just to donate each month. That's all we're looking for. Is just a lot of people to give a little bit, not a lot of people to give a lot. So if you'd like to donate, donation options are here, as well as our merchandise store. We have some really great quality merchandise. I mean, we'll put our logo up against any sports or team logo any day. This logo is fantastic. We have an artist who is close with us that puts this together, as well as our Hope is Real. You can see our Hope is Real slogan, all trademark, our slogan and our logo is all copyrighted and everything too. I don't know whether you want to call it copyright or trademark. I always forget the right terms, but either way, it's proprietary to us. So we have ladies apparel, men's apparel, kids apparel, hats and hoodies. So we have really great stuff. So if you like our Hope is Real, if you want to support us, you like our logo, we have an official merchandise store over here. A couple other things, again, our social media links are in the video below. You can find them over on our website too. You can see them right on our homepage and our blog post. But if you head over to, we have Bullish Bears on Twitter, make sure you follow us over here. A lot of times it's easier to catch our updates on Twitter and Facebook than it is in our group sometimes because we have so much content going out. And last but not least, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our videos, comment on them, share them, and click the notification bell. You'll see it if you haven't subscribed over here already. That way you'll be notified when we post new videos. So hopefully this video helped you guys, and happy trading tomorrow. Enjoy.